Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we are going to take the axial wraith 2.2 out today. I'm not going to bore you guys with going over looking at it. We're going to go straight into the action with this thing. And man, I'm so amazed. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell next to it, because we're doing a big giveaway at 2,000 subs. So don't miss out. We're almost there, guys. So you guys better hit that sub button so you guys can be entered in it. I'm going to be doing a video and all the rules and everything coming up here real soon. Let's go ahead and get to the live action, everybody. You guys don't want to miss this one. Man, what do you guys think of that? Definitely much better. That beats railroad ties, because we know this wraith is more than capable of railroad ties. So I wanted to give this thing definitely a challenge. So here we are. Enjoyna wheels, the rims and the tires. These tires are awesome. Get these things broken and you see how sticky they are. You seen that angle I was on. That was just slap ridiculous. It's got the DC motors, coreless, brushless, steering servo. I got that thing turned up to 7.4 volts. Plenty. You see how it worked. Let's see what else. I've got the 45 turn Enjoyna motor in it. Still running the stock axial wraith transmission. Stock links. Got 7% overdrive in the front. So definitely really nice. This thing, you see how it worked. So guys, here's the big push. We're almost at 2,000. Don't forget to hit the sub button and that notification bell if you want to be entered in the giveaway. We're going to be doing a video on everything that you're going to need to be in the giveaway. You don't have to do anything. It's not costing you no money, nothing. But I'm going to give you the rules and everything for it. That's what's going to happen. Alright guys, I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out my channel. And this is number 3 of USTE 2023 trucks. So we're moving along slowly but surely, but we're getting through them. Alright guys, we're going to catch you on the next adventure. Have a good one, everybody.